Ahmedabad it is, and the venue, the Narendra Modi Stadium, the biggest stadium in the world, capacity of over 100,000 people, will witness the opening game in the Tata IPL 2023. Gujarat Titans, the holders, will play four-time winners, the Chennai Super Kings. Gujarat Titans, the home team, but Chennai Super Kings are a very popular side. The coin toss happened a little while earlier. Gujarat Titans winning the toss and deciding to bowl first. When you consider they were playing their first year in the IPL, they didn't look like that. Nitin Menon and Syed Khalid, the two umpires. Third umpire Virender Sharma, and the match referee for this game, Javagal Srinath.
And he can strike at the start, and he can strike towards the end of the innings.
So here we go. Here's Mohammad Shami. And on the money straight away. Around the wicket to the left-hander. Good timing. Quick outfield. And the ball will win. Oh, lovely shot. Pure timing. Bowled in right through his defense. It's Mohammad Shami on fire. He's done that time and time again. And what a way to get his 100th wicket in the IPL. That's a good hit. Very good hit. 4-6 of the Tata IPL 23. Oh, that's crashed through the offside.
Not hiding it well enough. Probably went for Yorker, but Moeen Ali showing his wares. The stride, but only just above hip height. Noise, and this time Rashid strikes back. Much easier for the umpire. Lot of height on it. And into the Toblerone. And again the little man packs a punch.
This looks so good.
Goes again. Even further. And so much easier. What an excellent talent. That's four. Oh! Another one goes up and Stokes is gone. Rashid